There you go, guys. A couple peanuts. A couple peanuts for him today. There's not much grub in there. Put this on the ground. They pick it off better, probably. Alright, let me go get him a little more something. A little more something. Come back and get your peanut. I had to go get him some more food. There's 2 peanuts in there. We're just gonna sit and watch them today. Not gonna do too much. I love that peanut. Where are we? Zoom in a little bit, as much as I can. You know I'm not very stable. Hear the birds? I like to sit out here and listen to the birds. You ought to click on the subscribe button and you get a new video message. Oops, here we go. Gotta get myself organized here. Hey, what are you doing? Is that stuff good? Is it good? Hey, little fella. So, I got peanuts coming in. I got some nice organic peanuts. No salt, of course. Hey there, buddy. I don't know which one that is. I'm looking at his ear. I'm seeing a little bit of difference, but not much. I don't know if that's scraggly tail Pauline. Uh-oh, who's that? Yeah, if that's Pauline, this is definitely Fatso Henry coming down. Big old chubby Henry. You gonna come down? You gonna push her around? You gonna push her around? Oh, no you don't. Oh, look who's pushing who around. I hope I got that. I'm sorry, guys, if I didn't. But Pauline went up there, and like she normally would, and kicked Henry out. I gotta back up a little. That's the problem, is I can't get them both. Get him. She's gonna say right there, she's like, oh, I told you. She chased his butt up the tree. Oh, Pauline. See that scraggly tail? That's why I've been calling her Pauline. Because she's tiny. She's like tiny Pauline. You kicked him right up the tree, didn't you? See, I like sitting out here. If you want to sit out with me, you know, more often, click that subscribe button and you'll know. I'll be stashed over there in your subscription button, and you can find me whenever you want me to. Where is she? You're hiding in there good. Henry is not coming back. And she's like, get your ass up that tree and don't come back. Pauline, you're in trouble. Is it good? Is that stuff good for you? Oh, well, the stuff I've been trying, they really, really just like their squirrel mix. You like that squirrel mix? Says, I don't care about you, I just want your food. What are you doing, you little thing? Look, I throw that corn on the ground. She's taking the ends off if you look closely. I see what you're doing. I cannot wait to get the peanuts in. There's peanuts inside that trail mix, but today is not a bother 'em day. It's just a get to know day and get to relax. You're gonna come over here? You're the one that surprised me. She just didn't want to come over here. Take that corn and chew the white piece off. Oh, she gonna eat that whole one? Oh. Did you hear that, didn't you? Did you hear that? Oh, that was a hummingbird. The hummingbird don't quite want to land yet. It's not used to me sitting out here, but I'm having confidence that he'll get the hang of it, just like everybody else. Oh, empty, empty peanut shell. Back to the corn. You see, the corn, it's the peanuts first, the corn, and then there's sunflower seeds in there. But, oh, there we go. See? Did you see the hummingbird flown in? It'll come back. The hummingbird's got it. Oh, it's over there. Let me see if you can see it or not. Nope. Now she's up there. I don't know if you're seeing it. Did you see it? The hummingbird visiting. Hey, 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 it's okay. I'm sorry. Let me lean back. Oh, yeah, I guess I scared Pauline up the tree again. Who's this up there? What are you doing up there? I almost didn't even see you hiding in there. Like a knot in a tree. Talk about camouflage. You ain't kidding, they got good camouflage. Sometimes I come out here, they're sitting so still, I don't see them till they start that tail flicking crap. Come on down there. Come on down that tree. Come on. Come on. I'm looking through the camera, all I see is a bump. Come on down that tree. Uh-oh, we got Pauline back. That's Henry. So this is Pauline. He's not coming down when she's here. No way. No way. No way am I coming down while she's sitting there eating. He wants to. See, he's up here. You're not coming down? The little one chases the big one away. Who like to see if he's going to sneak up. He's like, man, she's eating all the corn. I want some corn. There he is. Oh, she found a peanut or something big. They were not hepped up on the Brazil nuts. Didn't care. I thought they loved them nice, creamy white Brazil nuts, but it said not to feed them too many anyway, so seeing how they're not into them, I won't worry about it. Yeah, there was 2 peanuts in that mix, and scraggly tail over there. Can you see that scraggly tail? Am I getting that good? Let's see what we got here. Oops. Oh, you get it just right in the daylight. You see what I'm talking about? That tail. What are you doing, Henry? Oh, this one's got a scraggly piece sticking out, too. What the hell happened to them all? They're all scraggly tails. Oh. A lot of fighting, I didn't put a lot of food out today. Sometimes they gotta go fetch their own, you know. But if they don't want to, they just wait for me. Then I'll know I'm not overfeeding them or nothing. So I'll know. You're really getting into that bowl, aren't you? See if I can sneak over there a little closer. He gets his head down in the bowl. Shouldn't be too long. They'll be coming to grab a peanut from me. What are you doing? You're eating the heck out of that. Is it good? Uh-oh. That one's coming down. Got another visitor here. He's back. He's like, I'm back. I gotta get down here to eat. That may not be Henry. I really don't know any of their names. I thought there was just 2 or 3 in this tree. One was fat and one had a scraggly tail. See, now that one's scraggly tailed. That one's scraggly tailed. Maybe I'm looking at the same one all the time. I just say, come on, little buddy. Where'd it go? See, they blend in. I can't see them sometimes. Well, I guess it's just meal time and these 2 guys fighting over it. And the hummingbird saying, quick hello. And these guys filling their belly. See, in the beginning, they would run back up the tree. They'd have to take one thing, run up the tree, one thing, run up the tree. But now they're starting to understand that I'm just sitting here. Ooh. You heard it, but you didn't see it. Yes. Oh. So I guess I should feed them a little more. Who knows? Because they act hungry. There's still nuts in the ground out here with all these trees. There's acorn nuts. What you got to say? You gonna scare the squirrels? Look at the tail. Hey, settle down, Ted. Dad, settle down. We're talking with the squirrels and you're mad? Yeah, Ted's mad. See, squirrels pretty much know if I don't screw up. Listen, I screwed up with the raccoon. You're going to see it. Can't help but show you the video. It's so good, but I accidentally opened the door. And damn, Ted went out and chased it. But he came back later that night, so he wasn't too offended. He hurried up the tree. Learning a lesson for me, and I could teach Ted to settle down. He's getting better. You gonna come down? All right, I'm gonna give these guys a little handful more because they're fighting over it. I didn't see any neighbors come. The neighbors come in the morning, and it's late afternoon today, so I'll call it a wrap. Hey, do me a favor and click subscribe. If you can't do anything else, click subscribe till I get the magic number. And I'll appreciate it. I'm just gonna sit out here most of summer. I got a lot of videos already that I took. Got some gator videos. Got all kinds of stuff. We've been stashing videos, and then I finally said, you know, put some of them up. Let some people enjoy this wilderness that I have. As a matter of fact, y'all don't know where I am. I'm gonna walk over here real quick. Quick look at the lake. See, you gotta go about 40 miles in that direction over there. That's west. Whoa, that guy bombed us. You gotta go about 40 miles to hit a city. There's nothing there but forest going that way. Nothing but the Ocala National Forest. There's a lake we hang out at, and then forest that way. No traffic light for miles and miles. And then that way there is east, and you got the city that way, but it's a good 10 miles to the first traffic light. Well, that's where we're hanging out up here in the forest, on the lake, under the oldest tree in the neighborhood, and chilling. So you should stop by once in a while. You should click that subscribe button. Stop by once in a while. Grab a coffee and I'll shut up once in a while. I'm out.